Why mornings matter for mindfulness.
Starting your day with intention can set the tone for greater calm and clarity. A mindful morning routine isn't about perfection. It's about taking a few moments to ground yourself so you can approach the day with less anxiety. By creating small rituals, you give your mind and body a peaceful foundation to handle stress more effectively.
Waking up, a gentle start.
Begin by allowing yourself to wake up slowly, without reaching for your phone immediately. Take a few deep breaths and notice how your body feels. This simple pause can help break the cycle of start-of-day stress and allows you to transition gently into wakefulness, opening space for a calmer mindset.
Breathing and mindful movement.
Take 5 minutes for deep, intentional breathing or gentle stretches. This could be seated breathing exercises, guided meditations, or simple movements like stretching your arms and neck. Mindful movement wakes up your body and signals your mind to be present, reducing anxious thoughts before your day even begins.
Setting your daily intention.
After movement, set an intention for the day. This can be as simple as a single word or phrase, such as calm or focus. Reminding yourself of this intention anchors your awareness and gives you a purpose to return to when stress arises throughout the day.
A mindful breakfast ritual.
Turn breakfast into a mindfulness practice by sitting down without distractions. Focus on the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Eating mindfully supports digestion and gives you a calming moment before responsibilities begin, which can help ease morning anxiety.
Maintaining your mindful routine.
Consistency is key. Start small and build your morning routine over time, choosing practices that genuinely support your well-being. Remember, even a few mindful minutes each morning can make a noticeable difference in reducing daily anxiety and helping you face challenges with greater ease.